Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Using Acrobat DC, you can redact text within PDF documents. Redacting is the removal of sensitive information from a document. By using Acrobat's redaction tool, you can search for and permanently remove any classified or privileged information from a file. You can search for specific terms, numbers, or common patterns. Both text and images can be redacted from a PDF. To use the redaction tool, open the PDF to redact in Acrobat DC. Next, select the Redact tool from the Protect and Standardize area of the tool's center. The Redact screen then appears. Redaction requires two distinct steps. First, sensitive material is marked for redaction, and then the material is redacted. To mark content for redaction, click the Mark for Redaction drop-down button found in the Redact toolbar. Next, select Text and Images from the drop-down choices. An informational dialog box displays redaction information. Read this information and then click the OK button. The mouse pointer then changes into a text tool. Click and drag to select the text to mark it for redaction. Text marked for redaction will appear within a red border. To mark an entire page or a range of pages from a document for redaction, select the Pages choice from the Mark for Redaction drop-down button within the Redact toolbar to open the Mark Page Range dialog box. You can then select either the Mark Current Page for Redaction option button or the Mark Specific Page Range for Redaction option button. If you choose the latter option, then enter the page range to redact into the Page Range field. Consecutive pages to redact can be separated with a hyphen, and non-consecutive pages can be separated with a comma. Then click the OK button to mark the pages for redaction. They will appear with a red border around them to indicate that they are marked for redaction. You can save a PDF that has been marked for redaction before the sensitive material has been removed. This is helpful in the document review process when one person initially marks areas for redaction and another person approves and applies the redactions. To use search terms to locate content to redact within a document, select the Find Text option from the Mark for Redaction drop-down button within the Redact toolbar to launch a message box that warns you to inspect the PDF for text saved as images. Click the OK button after reading the message to open the search pane in Acrobat. Then enter the word or phrase you want to search for and remove from the document into the What word or phrase would you like to search for field. Then click the Search and Remove Text button to display the results of that search within the search panel. Check the checkbox next to each result displayed in the results list to mark the ones you want to redact. You can also click the Check All button above the results list to mark all of the results for redaction. At the bottom of the panel, you can select the options for marking the redactions by selecting the desired option button to either mark whole words for redaction or mark partial words for redaction. Then click the Mark Checked Results for Redaction button at the bottom of the panel to mark the selected results for redaction. You can then click the New Search button at the top of the search panel to continue searching for text to redact in the PDF. You can click the X button in the upper right corner of the search panel to close it when you are finished searching. To remove content that has been marked for redaction from a PDF, click the Apply button within the Redact toolbar to launch a dialog box which warns you that you are about to permanently remove the redacted content from the PDF. Click the OK button to continue. Acrobat permanently removes the sensitive text from the PDF and then launches another dialog box which asks if you want to find and remove hidden information in your document. You can click the Yes button to open the Remove Hidden Information panel in the navigation pane, or click the No button to skip this step. After redacting the content, you must save the changes to the document to ensure it is permanently removed.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.